Hello, welcome to Chennai Samayal English. Today we are going to prepare Schezwan sauce. It was a spice recipe and mainly used in Hyderabad sites. So let's go and check out the recipe. We have taken 200 grams of dry chilli and 50 grams of Kashmiri chilli. Soak it with water for 30 minutes. You can see the difference. The color will turn into light red. Then we are going to boil that with the same soap water up to once it started boiling. Once it cooked well, we are going to filter it without any water. If you like more spicy, you can save this water even for adding while preparing a sauce. After it becomes chill, we are going to grind it. We don't want to add any water. You can see it is finely pasted. Then take a saucepan and add 100 ml of oil. Once the oil gets heated, a quarter cup of ginger finely chopped. Then a quarter cup of garlic finely chopped. Cook until the raw smell gone. Mix it well. Then add the grind chilli sauce into it. Add some water to the and mix it well. Add some water in the mixer jar and pour that into this mixture. Mix it well and bring them into boil. Then add salt required, 1 spoon of sugar, 2 spoons of soya sauce and 2 spoons of tomato ketchup. Mix it well. Then add 3 spoons of vinegar. If you like more spicy, then we can use the chilli boiled water to this mixture. It will give more spicy. Or if you like less spice, and then we can add a fresh water. Like this we can make the Schezwan sauce easily in home. Do try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, share and like the video.